Hello guys, let's create a shield from a single plane. Let's add a plane, then we switch to edit mode. Then we're gonna apply subdivision. I'm gonna keep it 5 number of cuts at 5 to make sure not takes too much time. This is just a sample project. Yes, we switch to vertex mode, then we start to drag the vertices. But make sure you just switch on the mirror feature on the right corner of the 3D viewport. Then we start to drag the vertices. As you see, they move symmetrically. We're gonna keep dragging the vertices until we get the basic shape of shield. Yes, it started to appear. Sometimes we're gonna apply some loop cuts to get more vertices. Let's resize it through y-axis. Later on, we're gonna adjust the scale if we need. Let's keep going. Yes, we apply loop cut to get more vertices. Before releasing the left click button, just adjust the position of the cut. We can do that. As you see, seems nice. If you don't have any sculpting skill, so it's the best way to do this, to use this technique, so you can get a low poly shield easily. If you want the shield looks more smoother, just add more vertices by applying loop cuts. Seems not bad. Let's keep going. Let's apply another loop cut and another one also. As you see, it started to look like a shield. But as I told you, don't forget to switch on the proper axis for mirroring on the right corner of the 3D viewport. As you see, and you can add more loop cuts to get a smoother shape. This is just the technique I wanted to show. As you see, you can apply shade smooth also. Yes, we don't need that faces, so we can delete them. As you see, we have our basic shield here. Just in a short while, like for 5 minutes, and we select all faces. We're gonna apply this is another shield I did before. We're gonna apply solidify just 0.03, sorry, and then we apply the modifier to make it permanent. Yes, we have a proper thickness. As you see, if you don't apply the modifier, you don't get the destructive object. So you must apply. Yes, this is our shield. We apply bevel for smoothness of the edges of the faces, the side faces. As I told you, you can add more loop cuts to get more vertices for more detailed work. Yeah, we select faces and we apply bevel again. Select faces and then we inset them for surface details. That seems nice. Yeah, we extrude the faces. If you master the basic modeling tools like extrude, bevel, inset and smooth, you can do a lot of things you can create. Yeah, let's keep going. We extrude the faces. Then we select the faces, then we inset them. Then we extrude and apply bevel to the edges to make sure it looks smooth. Yes, looking like a bug's face. Seems nice. This is the basic modeling technique for the non-sculptor people. Yeah, let's create more details, more surface details by dragging the vertices. As you see, let's make a noise shape. Noise looking kind of shape. Select faces. Let's apply bevel for borders. I like bevel very much because of this feature. Yes, we inset the faces. You see, seems nice. Pretty much smooth, so you can make it smoother by adding more vertices via loop cut. Yeah, let's apply bevel again, and we assign a material for border. It's very simple material. Yeah, we don't use the first one because if you do that, all color will change. Yeah, seems nice, right? Let's select outer faces, looking like frame. We're gonna apply, we can apply different material. It's all up to your taste. Every time I say, because there is no limit for creation. Let's keep selecting. I like this technique. I'm not a sculptor, but I can still create this kind of object in a short time. But to get that practicality, I did a lot of practices, so I don't look, or I don't think which key I should press on the keyboard anymore. Keep going. As you see, already start to looking nice. We make body color black. Seems nice. Let's keep adding details. Let's keep selecting the faces to get our frames around the details. As you see, completed to selecting faces, create a new material, and we apply the pre-created materials. It's kind of gold looking material, added a nice detail. Yes, as you see. We don't need that mirror feature, mirror function. So we already started to apply materials for surface details. But we have not completed yet. We keep selecting the faces. I apply gold material again. We select faces looking like eyes. Subdivide them. We're gonna shape them again. Yeah, we select vertices after switching to vertex mode. Let's try to create a bug's eye, an angry bug's eye. Yeah, you can try. Don't be afraid to try. Oh, we need to switch on the mirror function again to make sure you select the right axis. It doesn't matter if you select the wrong one, you can undo and switch the axis you need. As you see, both eyes moving together simultaneously. So I think we have our eyes. Let's add some details. As you see, we set the faces. For that, we can apply different materials to eye and the frame. It's all about your choice and your taste. We apply bevel So we need to use bevel frequently because the real world there's no sharp edges. Even sharp edges has smooth details for the light reflection. You see, it's really looking nice. Yeah, let's keep going. We apply very tiny bevel to create new details, borders, and we select and insert the faces. We apply some extrude, then bevel. Just imagine that all we can create from a single plane, but still we have a missing part, which I'm gonna do after a while. We need to bend the plane to have a real shield like the other one. Then we're going to use a modifier. First we need to add a cylinder for reference for the modifier, then we adjust the location and we select the shield. Move it to other side, we don't need that. The other shield, as you see, it's really important the position of the cylinder, I mean the reference object. Let's apply a simple deform. Yes, we just select bend, and yes, we bend our shield as you see. Also it looks like forged with that low poly surfaces. You see, seems already nice. We apply shade smooth. Yeah, makes it better, but I prefer to keep it like this, shade flat, because of the light reflections. So this is basic technique. We learned with this video how can we create any object by dragging the vertices, and how to bend an object, and how can we create face details just by using default and basic modeling tools. Seems already nice. As you see, we have our shield. Normally this is a tutorial video, so it took around 20 minutes, but you can do it 3-4 minutes. Within 3 or 4 minutes you can get this kind of shield. It's nice and easy. So thanks for watching and support in advance. If you like the content, please consider to like and subscribe. You can support the channel also on Patreon if you wish. Take care, see you later.